All right, what's up guys? So my client did not like this house right here. She thought the floor plan was super weird, so I thought I'd take you inside so you guys can let me know what you guys think. All right, what's going on guys? So today we're out here in the southwest side of town. We're checking out these houses by Pulte, specifically this one called the Barnet. This is part of the Paldona line by Pulte over here. The models are located right off of Rainbow and Blue Diamond, but they are actually building in various locations right now, specifically off Russell and Tenaya. They're actually gonna open up another location pretty soon in about a couple weeks. So if you wanna get on that list, make sure you comment down below or send me an email with your information so that way we can make sure we get you an appointment to tour that location. That one's gonna be right off of Buffalo and Warm Springs. So let's go ahead and talk about this house right here. This house is 2,046 square feet, starts off at $521,990. Again, that's gonna be before lot premiums and your options. So again, it's a 2 to 3 bedroom. Again, I said 2 to 3 bedroom, believe it or not. So there's gonna be a owner suite upstairs, and then there's gonna be a bedroom downstairs as well, which can be also converted to 2 separate bedrooms, giving you 3 total bedrooms. So let's go ahead and go inside and check this one out. All right, so again, we're over here in front of the Barnet model. Again, 2,046 square feet. You've got 3 beds or up to 3 beds, 2.5 bath. You've got a 2-car garage, which is the office right now. As a standard, you're gonna have these pavers right here. And of course, the front landscaping is all gonna be included. Now, keep in mind, your backyard is not gonna be landscaped. So you are gonna be responsible to get that landscaped within a certain time period, according to the HOA. So coming inside, you've got this nice, beautiful 8-foot door. Right when you walk in, you can see we've got 2 separate levels. We've got a staircase going upstairs, and we'll start down this way, kind of check out this living area right here. So to your left, we've got our laundry area. Washer and dryer is not going to be included. Got some nice extra storage over here. Right here is going to be a door to the garage, but check out this living space down here. Pretty spacious. So we're gonna have 1 bedroom right now as this house is modeled, but if you do have the option, or you choose the option to have 2 bedrooms right here, they're gonna split these into 2, and they're actually gonna have the bathroom right over here. So right here, we're gonna have the access to the backyard. The good thing is they have got some pretty good sized lots that this community offers. All right, taking a look right here. Let's go inside and check out this bedroom over here. So the good thing about this floor plan, you know, it may not work for everyone, but it definitely can cater to certain families or buyers with a specific lifestyle. Obviously, these 2 bedrooms are separate from each other, giving you a lot of privacy. Check out this massive walk-in closet. Pretty good space. And you're gonna have your own full bath over here. You've got dual sinks, has a walk-in shower. So again, this downstairs level is kind of nice because it gives you some privacy from the living space upstairs. So again, it's not for everyone, but there might be certain buyers, depending on your lifestyle, that this might actually work out. So let's go ahead and head on upstairs to the 2nd floor. Now check out this handrail right here. That's gonna be an upgrade right there, but I really do like that. Let me know what you guys think. Moving on up here, so right when you walk up, you're gonna have your dining area right here, your main living area, family room right here. They've got it modeled with this beautiful fireplace, which is not included. Again, there's gonna be a lot of options for you to upgrade this house the way that you like it. And of course, they model these houses beautifully to make it very attractive for you guys to purchase these homes. A lot of the standard options are actually pretty nice, but again, the options are pretty endless, just depending on what your budget is. Just keep in mind that there are some risks going too overboard when it comes to upgrading the house. So now just getting a good feel of what it's like being in the kitchen in this living space. You got a really great view of the living area. You got the dining area over there. You've got this beautiful quartz Calcutta countertop right here. And check out the cabinets. Cabinets over here are an upgrade. I always suggest if you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings, definitely opt for 42-inch upper cabinets. It's just minimize that gap that you're gonna see up there right above. Really nice finishes over here. They've got a nice large window over here, let in a lot of natural light. This is gonna be our pantry right there. And again, unfortunately, this floor plan just did not work out for my client. The uniqueness of this floor plan, or the limitations of this floor plan, just didn't work out for their lifestyle. Again, the unique thing about this is it's technically a 2-bedroom, up to 3-bedroom, but they have it modeled with 2 primary bedrooms, one on the bottom, one on top. So we are walking into the other primary bedroom that's located on this 2nd floor, which is a pretty good size. The nice thing about this house is it has 9-foot ceilings downstairs and 9-foot upstairs. So it makes it feel bigger than what it really is. So obviously you're gonna have a beautiful large full bathroom over here in this primary suite. They've got it modeled with a walk-in shower and another large walk-in closet right here. Tell me in the comments below what you guys think about this floor plan so far. Would this work out for you and your family and your lifestyle? Or is the 2-bedroom split level house just not your thing? Definitely let me know in the comments below, because I'd like to hear what you guys think about this floor plan. Other than that, I think it's modeled pretty nicely. It's got a nice balcony up here on the front side of the house. And you know, it's not for everybody, but it is still a beautiful house, and I'm sure there are buyers out there that would still love this floor plan. All right guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that home tour of this Pulte house out here in the Southwest. If you've got any questions about this house or any homes here in Las Vegas, I've got all my information down below. Please don't hesitate to reach out. You give me a call, text, DM, whatever's convenient for you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. See you guys on the next one.